Okay, welcome to part 2 of milling the cylinder head, otherwise known as the valve towers. This is where we were last time that we filmed an episode on this. This one here is the fins have been cut into it. It has been thread milled. There's been a very beautiful dome, machined into the bottom of it. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to move on and machine each side down, and they go in 406 thousandths on each side. One goes down quite a ways and the other one creates an angle on each side, and I'll show you what that particular block looks like. Let me get it out of the vise first. I already have it located in the wedge tool. The wedge tool is a pretty amazing tool. If you take a look at it, you can wedge these in here, and there's a couple of spacers that'll hold it up higher or lower as you need it. And you can bolt it into the lathe this way, or you can bolt it into the lathe this way. So there's all kinds of different machining angles you can do it. It's got the perfect angle for giving you this cross section here, for milling this cross section, so that you start to get the formation of the two towers. One tower's here, the other tower's here. And so you machine one side, flip it around, machine the other side. This one, of course, I've already done the what I call the inverted V-cut on one side, and the other one has been machined down a lot further, as you can see, down to this place right here, right all the way down to the top of the wedge, actually. And but anyway, it's ready now to have this part machined across the top, and I'll show you a little bit of that. And hold on. Okay, I'm going to touch off and we'll start milling. Trying to intersect. They don't give any specific dimensions on how to do this. Just trying to intersect with this hole right here on this side. And then when I get this side done, we'll flip it around and do the other side. Full depth on the spindle, so I can bring the knee up. Okay, we're touched off. We're probably going to do about, I'm guessing 40 thousandths of that. Let me bring that back and move the knee up a little bit more. Zero the Z on my ERO. Bring her down 40 thousandths. Lock the spindle. seen by feel. Feel and sound. It'll tell you how fast you can go. I'd rather do conventional milling, which is where you're throwing the chips in front of you. Pie milling is when you're throwing the chips behind you. And it's hard to do that on a manual lathe, manual mill. We're just going to keep doing this until we get down to our depth. We've just touched off on the top of the part. We need to mill this flat down to about where this top black mark is, and then when we throw it in the lathe to do the tower work on them, then we'll finish all of the features off. But you can kind of start to see the valve towers taking shape now out of this lump of aluminum here. So anyway, here we go. Slow it down, see if that goes. Clear up. Yep. I think I got a dull end now. Up a little bit, I guess. Trying to pull it out of the it's in there awful tight. Yeah, and see what happens if we go back the other direction. Doesn't like that either. Yeah, we went and found a better cutter. Let's see how this one works. Much better. Looks like we got one more cut. That should do it for that time. Okay, it's off to side 2, rinse and repeat. Okay, now that we have the valve tower, two towers pretty well roughed out, you get kind of a general idea. I'm trying to get it into view here. Get kind of a general idea on what the towers are going to look like. And the next step is going to be over at the lathe. This will be my last video for quite a while because I'm moving my shop to another location, to a bigger shop. I'll probably show video on the shop itself in between, but it might be a couple of months before I have another video up and running. Anyway, this has to be done a total of 9 times, so we'll be going over to the lathe and showing you the rest of the machining on this next time we show cylinder head video. And that's it for now.